Against expectations, we decided to go out and do something that perhaps everyone thought was a crazy thing to do. A lot of people ask, how do you work with your husband? I'm like, it's easy, it's fun. I like hanging out with him.
When Shireen left her job as an attorney, everyone, including myself, was like, oh, all right, yeah, this is real. We are gonna do this. A listening bar is a place where you can go and quietly enjoy music over a great sound system.
It's not only the sound system, but the acoustic treatments of the space that come together and form that experience. Jazz is at the heart of what inspired us to create Bar Shiru and at the root of the music that we play here. Soul, funk, R&B.
Those things are all staying true to who we are as Bar Shiru. Music can be deeply personal, but it can also have this incredible connective power to bring people together. We really wanted to create something that was sophisticated but unpretentious. We want every person who comes through that door to feel the love that we've put into this place.
To see people's reactions to the space, that was quite emotional.
Shocking.
Overwhelming. I find happiness in making other people happy, and I get to do that every single day here. I think it's important to challenge the status quo because other people can see you doing that and realize that it's possible. We're not creating this for ourselves. We're creating this for the Oakland community. I think to be a trailblazer is to really look inside yourself and say, what does it mean to me to be happy and fulfilled? Finding the courage to go out and pursue that is really what it comes down to.